Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pankaj Travel Vlogs. Hi, my name is Pankaj and I am from a small town of Nagaon district of Assam, and which is nearly 150 kilometers from the capital city of Guwahati. Today I am going to my district headquarters Nagaon, which is nearly 30 kilometers away to repair my old laptop. This is my first YouTube blog. Hope you like this video. So let's start. This is my bike, which is Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Supernova, which is almost 6 months old. Today is my first blog, so I am doing this in English and later I'll switch to my regional languages. Yeah, it's done, and now I will close my room. Yeah, I'm now ready, and let's check on everything is okay or not. Yeah, I'll check the documents necessary which need to be carried. Yeah, everything okay. Now I'm ready to go. Yeah, just done neutral, and yeah, now just started. You can also see the temple, which is located in front of our house. My mom is going to just open the gate. I just slowly came from in front of my house. So now let's go start the journey. Yeah, this is our small street road. Yeah, now slowly I need to cross the road. Yeah, now we can go, and this is my hometown, which is named as Amoni, which is a very small town in the Nagaon district of Samaguri subdivision, and Amlaki is the Gram Panchayat of this village. According to 2011 census, only 263 families living in this village. The nearest railway station from my hometown is only 2 to 3 kilometers, and public and private bus services are available 24 hours.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
now just I reached her background. This is Hybergaon traffic point. I have to go to left. Here is HP showroom, and above HP showroom there is a e-garage, which is a laptop repairing service center. I have to go there. So I'll park my bike here and I'll go to the first floor. Laptop repair will take time, so till then I'll make one round trip of town. It's almost evening, and now I'll take my laptop and I will go home.